step into the 2006 Scion TC. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are keyless entry, cruise control, integrated turn signal mirrors, front-wheel drive, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, premium sound system, ABS, and 4-wheel disc brakes. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.